remove or hide sound notification icon from the app list in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under display section, tap the blue on off switch next to show icon in the app list to disable this option. When the switch turns gray, it means that this option is off and your phone will remove sound notification icon from the app list. However, by doing this, if you like to use sound notification, you can go to the accessibility menu or using shortcut that you have assigned for sound notification before. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.